In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Fimi X8 for $415. So go ahead and follow my link at the bottom in the description, and we'll go ahead and enter that here. And there's the X8. Right now it has it for $499. Choose the GWTR warehouse and then add to cart. View it in cart. And here we'll apply the coupon. Make sure that the check block is the block's checked so that the coupon can apply to this, and make sure that you don't have anything else in your cart. And hit apply. And there you go. It's down to $415 right now. So I don't know how long this is going to last. I think for about 9 days. So get it while you can. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be posting more discounts and coupons and reviewing quads and cameras as I get them in. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.